Hola!
I think we want to know first where you're from, and we want to know your favorite Spanish word.
My name is Kimberly Ann Luba, 23, Philippines. Ay, char.
At ¿cuál es tu expresión o palabra favorita en español?
Mi favorita palabra es polla.
¿Por qué?
Porque es el contrario de pollo.
Ay, muy bien.
No, because it's a contrast, di ba sa Spanish pag femenino y masculino. Pero these are like two words that will have a different meaning. Kayo na pong bahala kung i-research kung ano ang meaning na yon.
At tip,
Pero gusto mo ng malaki, ducks.
at tip, tip for those who want to visit Spain.
Yes, pag gusto nyo pumunta dito, umariba na, dumiretso na, wala nang patumpik-tumpik pa.
So, gracias a ti, tía.